Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandyan, digital marketing professional from Learn Digital Academy. Today I'll be talking on ads from Google. Today in this competitive world, everything has become a race. And if we stop running, the world will start ignoring us. Same thing with business. You got to keep moving and upgrading and reaching out to your customer with every possible ways. Today on internet, it's even more faster. Businesses have started promoting other business on their websites. What is AdSense? Google AdSense is an advertising placement service by Google. The program is designed for website publishers who want to display targeted text, video or image advertisements on their website pages. These publishers earn money when site visitors view or click the ads. Why Google AdSense? As we all know, Google is the king on internet. Google dominates every other search network. Therefore, Google enjoys an ultimate authority, so publishers or bloggers trust Google blindly. Let us look at an example. Okay, when you go online and visit a website, you might have noticed ads showing in between the web page you are reading. Those ads are nothing but Google AdSense ads. It is also known as contextual advertising. There are three people involved in the picture: advertiser, network, publisher. Let us look at an example. Now I have typed Bangalore today and I want to click this link. Okay, now we all can see the advertisement here. We all can see the banner towards our left, towards our right, and at the top as a big banner. And we can also look into the advertisement below. So the moment we click the advertisement, it redirects us to a landing page published by the advertiser. Now, let us understand who is an advertiser, who is a network, who is a publisher. We all can see Bangalore Mirror here. So this website here becomes a publisher, wherein these people, Bangalore Mirror, they are giving a space for the advertisers to advertise their banners like this. Now, let us understand who is a publisher, who is an advertiser. Any person who advertises the content on the other's website, those people are called as advertiser. Now, how do we find it? Now, can we see the advertisement here? Now, when we click on icon, we'll be able to find who is promoting this. Ads by Google. Now, Google act as a network. They act as a mediator between the publishers and advertisers. Okay? Thank you.